It's time to stop making excuses. I cannot tell you how many times I hear things like, oh, but people don't have money at the moment. People aren't buying. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure this is even the right thing for me to do right now. Oh, if only people would know who I am, everything would be fine, right? There's all these just excuses that aren't going to get you what you want. The truth is, you can make excuses or you can focus on results. What do you want? Now, my guess is you want results. Now, the truth is, if you are making these excuses, it's probably not even you. It's the voice in your head. And I cannot tell you how important it is to distinguish between them both. Because very often, it's just our mind just playing on repeat. Oh, I guess people don't have money. I guess this. And what we do is we look for things that reinforce our own belief. So it's very important that you interrupt that pattern. So a challenge that I want to give you is to write down all the reasons why you aren't where you want to be right now, in business, in life, whatever that is. Right, so you pause the video, list that down. Now, my guess is a lot of those may be excuses. They're things that you say, you know what, no, but genuinely, I don't have enough time. Genuinely, I don't have money. Like, this is so true. Now, there are people that have probably done it with less time, less money, right? So it's about being creative. And it's saying, you know what, I'm not going to have these excuses. I'm going to do something about it. I'm going to take responsibility and I'm going to get this done. And this is where you take 100% responsibility for the results in your life, exactly where you are, the environment you're in, and you say, I'm going to take responsibility to make this happen. If you're tired, sleep more. If you feel like you aren't getting results, work harder. If you're feeling overwhelmed, plan better, get more organized, right? There are so many different things to do to solve the challenge that you have. If you aren't sure, oh, I don't know what to do, figure it out, go do something. And now suddenly you're actually taking steps and taking action as opposed to just making these excuses and not moving your life forward. And if you could think about this, right? Hell on earth would be to meet the man you could have been, right? Or woman you could have been. Don't let today be that day. Choose to live today to the fullest. That's something I say to myself almost every single day. And it's so important. I want to look up in the morning and say, you know what? I'm going to dominate today. Today is my day. Screw excuses, screw that. I'm going to actually make this day mine. I'm going to own the day. When you can wake up like that and you're going to make no more excuses, suddenly you're going to be in the right state to take on challenges. Because if you're turning up to a call thinking, oh, this person probably won't buy, I'm not even sure if they want my product, I'm not even that confident, who would buy from someone like that? You want someone that's confident, knows what they're doing, and enough of the excuses, right? And if you need any help with this, reach out to us, right? No more excuses there. Like, we've got loads of different ways we can support you. So make it happen, stop making excuses, and live the life that you want. Because the truth is, if you aren't going to build your own life, then you're going to build someone else's. So make it happen.